Here's how to make sound echo in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first option is simply adding a basic echo effect. So just edit your video and audio in the timeline until you're ready to add your reverb effect. Now in the effects panel, search for the surround reverb and add it to your audio clip. In the effects control panel, click the edit button alongside the custom setup. You want to increase the gain settings to create the echo amount. Then right click on the audio clip. Just choose the audio gain button, then simply select the adjust gain by option and type 15 in the box and click hit OK. Then you want to decrease the room size. As you can see right here on this video, just simply follow the instruction. Just go to your audio and right click on it. Then go to the left side, go to your audio, and go to your controls panel. Then add a custom size of adjust gain. Now for the option 2, to end with an echo effect. Simply just edit your video and music in the timeline. So as you can see right here, just follow these instructions and then create a cut in your audio clip to isolate the part you want to echo. Move the echo section of your audio clip to a new track. Then in the project browser, click the new item icon and choose a transparent video. Then you want to add that transparent video to the end of your timeline to give space for the echo to continue past the end. And just go and select the sequence you're working on. And in the mixer panel, select the downward arrow at the audio track 2 and settings tab and choose reverb and studio reverb. And by doing so, you can add an echo effect at the end of your video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification